In a world where hypercars keep pushing the limits of engineering, there are only a few brands bold enough to reinvent the rules entirely. The Czinger 21CV Max 2026 is one of those rare machines. Built in California and engineered using artificial intelligence, 3D printed components, and aerospace-level design, this car feels like a creation from another generation, maybe even another planet. It doesn't just aim to compete with Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Rimac. It aims to outperform them using technology no other manufacturer has mastered. Today, we're diving deep into a hypercar that blends extreme speed with futuristic engineering in a way the world has never seen. Design. The design of the Czinger 21CV Max is unlike anything else on the road. Its long, stretched body, smooth surfaces, and aerodynamic silhouette make it look like a missile more than a car. Every curve has been engineered using advanced AI optimization, ensuring the least possible drag with maximum stability at high speeds. The signature inline seating, where the driver sits directly in front of the passenger, creates not only a unique cockpit feel, but also a narrower body for better airflow. The extended tail section of the V-Max version improves straight-line performance, giving the car a sleek, aero-like presence that you simply cannot ignore. Power and performance. Under the futuristic skin, the Czinger 21CV Max hides one of the most advanced hybrid powertrains ever built. It features a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with electric motors, producing a combined power output of around 1,350 horsepower. This setup enables insane acceleration figures, with the car capable of reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds. The top speed is expected to surpass 400 kilometers per hour, designed specifically to rival the world's fastest hypercars. The combination of electric instant torque and traditional combustion power makes the 21CV Max feel both futuristic and brutally mechanical at the same time. Driving experience. The Czinger 21CV Max has been engineered for drivers who want extreme performance without losing control. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth but explosive acceleration, while the lightweight chassis, made using 3D printed titanium and carbon fiber, keeps the car incredibly agile. The aerodynamics are optimized for high-speed stability, meaning the car remains planted even when pushing close to its top speed. The traction, responsiveness, and braking feel shockingly precise. It is the type of hypercar that makes you feel like you're piloting advanced machinery rather than just driving a vehicle. Interior. Inside the 21CV Max, the cockpit feels inspired by fighter jets. The inline seating layout gives the driver a symmetrical, centered view of the road, while the passenger sits directly behind. The cabin uses premium materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and aerospace-grade metals. Digital displays deliver performance data with crystal clarity, and the entire interior is designed around the experience of speed. It's minimal, futuristic, and built for one purpose: to connect the driver directly with the machine. Price and availability. The Czinger 21CV Max is an ultra-exclusive hypercar with extremely limited production. The price begins around $2 million and varies, depending on customization and performance options. Only a very small number will ever be built, making it a true collector's piece and one of the rarest hypercars of the new generation.